With the $38 Whirly Pop Pot, you can make popcorn in 3 minutes. Just add kernels and oil and place it on the stove. The Xylus accessory helps you get to the mango flesh quickly and neatly. The price is $26. The Baca Fix silicone baking mat is an eco-friendly alternative to parchment paper. It's non-stick, dishwasher safe, and withstands temperatures up to 230 degrees Celsius. The price is $18. This Berlinzo mold makes large 6-centimeter ice balls that melt slower, keeping drinks cooler for longer. It's perfect for whiskey. The cost is $20. This set of 3 silicone oven guards cost $5. They can withstand temperatures up to 220 degrees Celsius and protect your hands from burns in the oven. The Lefton sink set rinses, washes, and cools food with precise control over water flow and temperature. It costs $800. The Plateful warming mat keeps food warm with a temperature range of 40 degrees to 120 degrees Celsius. It also has a flexible timer. The price is $100. This chopper makes cooking more pleasant. It can handle nuts and ice and is operated with one hand. It costs $51. This organizer's main feature is its movable side panels, which allow you to adjust its width from 33 to 57 centimeters. The price is $24. The rotating Presto oven bakes cookies, pizzas, and chicken wings while using 60% less electricity. The price is $84. This $10 tool slices avocados, removes the pit, and cuts the flesh into slices. This wine storage system not only maintains an ideal temperature, but also injects argon into the bottle to keep the wine fresh. You can pour wine with the push of a button. The BlendJet 2 is a compact, battery-powered blender that's perfect for travel. It easily crushes frozen fruit and ice and can make up to 15 smoothies on a 1-hour charge. The price is $22. This unusual cheese knife can slice cheese into different thicknesses, from super thin to 6 millimeters. It's even suitable for soft mozzarella. It costs $17. This kitchen thermometer with a range from -50 degrees to +300 degrees Celsius and a built-in LCD display makes checking the temperature of steaks and jams much easier. It costs $11. The compact and spacious cabinet caddy is a cabinet for jars. Thanks to its rotating design, you can easily grab the jar you need. It costs $83. The KitchenAid appliance cooks grains and beans. It weighs the product and then automatically adds the right amount of water. The price is $350. This mini fridge from Califord holds up to 180 cans, freeing up space in your main refrigerator. It has 3 removable shelves and costs $800. The Ninja Swirl can make sorbet, ice cream, or frozen yogurt. The machine costs $349. This small dishwasher doesn't need to be hooked up to a water line and uses only 5 liters of water per cycle. It can hold over 30 items and sells for $324. The Japanese brand Mitsumoto Sakari offers a professional knife sharpener. It has a sharpening range of 14 degrees to 24 degrees, with slots for coarse and fine sharpening. The price is $35. The Ninja Crispy is a compact yet spacious air fryer. It can cook an entire chicken at temperatures up to 232 degrees Celsius. The price is $160. The 2-tier pull-out RevaShelf organizer helps you perfectly organize your kitchen cabinets. It features a gas lift system and costs $624. The Fridge View is a refrigerator organizer that rotates 360 degrees. It costs $15. The Tofu Guide Tofu Press, with its automatic IntelliSpring system, makes tofu firmer and easier to slice. It costs $28. The Prep Deck Gen 2 station lets you neatly organize ingredients. It includes 14 containers, a cutting board, a tablet stand, and other accessories. The price is $341. The OXO meat tenderizer makes meat more tender with 50 blades that create pockets to speed up marinating and cooking. It costs $23. The $23 Sundico kitchen torch is powered by butane and produces a flame with a temperature up to 700 degrees Celsius. The well-to-be CS668 accessory helps turn zucchini and other vegetables into vegetarian pasta. It costs $52. This bamboo and stainless steel press is used for making tortillas. It costs $55 with parchment paper included. The Chef and Cob is an indispensable tool for stripping corn, as it deftly removes the kernels. The price is $7. This $135 vacuum sealer helps keep food fresh up to 8 times longer and saves space in your refrigerator. This $13 pineapple knife lets you easily remove the flesh and slice it without making a mess. The sous vide kitchen tool heats food in a vacuum bag to the desired temperature. Its 1.1 kilowatt power ensures it quickly and accurately reaches the right temperature. This $30 salad spinner quickly dries lettuce leaves. This WMF egg cooker holds up to 7 eggs and can boil them soft or hard. It sounds an alarm when the eggs are ready. It costs $52. The C Golden Wall pasta maker comes with 12 attachments for making various types of pasta, including spaghetti and fettuccine, in just 10 minutes. It costs $170. 2 knives that can be joined to form scissors. They can be purchased for $13. The Joseph kitchen trash can features 2 30-liter compartments and an odor control system with replaceable filters. The can costs $251. This grinder can successfully grind not only coffee, but also nuts, fruits, and sauces. You can buy it for $46. The Inovia touchless paper towel dispenser is compatible with most standard rolls and costs $95. This $33 slicer cuts a watermelon or melon into 12 even slices. A roll of 500 dissolvable labels costs $10. They disappear in 30 seconds in water, but are also microwave safe and withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to +176 degrees Celsius.